Hey, hi everybody, Allan here from Basecamp, Brooklyn. That's good, that's super hot. I'm coming to you from McCarren Park out in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, in New York City. Back there you'll see the field. You'll see a lot of people walking by because it is centrally located in Brooklyn. So you're going to see a lot of people this late afternoon. Got some people doing barbecues here. And we are out here. What we're gonna do today is we are going to do a surf and turf chimichurri. So a chimichurri sauce is originally from Argentina and it is used as a marinade, but it's mostly really just used for topping grilled meats like steaks and pork and chicken. That's what we're gonna do today. We got a whole bunch of ingredients. Two types of chimichurris. There is a green one, Chimichurri Verde, and a red kind, which is a Chimichurri Roja. So we don't usually see the Roja one. I just recently learned that there is a Roja, so I'm gonna make a Roja. So what we have here is we have cilantro. Well, generally chimichurri is made out of parsley, oregano, and garlic, olive oil, and a vinegar, some kind of acid. We are using white wine vinegar. We have some olive oil. Instead of parsley, we're gonna go with cilantro because I love cilantro. We're gonna grill some tomatoes to the side. We got some steaks. We got some shrimp. We got a red pepper. We got a Fresno pepper. Fresno pepper is kind of like a red jalapeno. It's probably about the same heat level as a jalapeno, but we got red just to keep into the red sauce. And yeah, we got a whole bunch of spices. I got paprika, which is gonna make it red as well. Got some salt, some oregano, and I got a little mix of dry peppers here. So there's green, red, all kinds of peppers. We got some lemons, and in here we got some shrimp skewers too. So we're gonna make shrimp and steak on the grill, and then we're gonna top it all with a chimichurri sauce. So I'm gonna get right into it. Get my knife. We're gonna go start with the cilantro. Got my bowl here, this is my mixing bowl. Take some cilantro. Alright, we're starting with the cilantro. Usually, a lot of people with the chimichurri, they put it in a food processor to blend it into like a liquid form. I like my sauces chunky, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to old school it and chop it with a knife, and we're just going to chop it really finely. Got my cilantro. Fresno pepper. We're not going to use the seeds. Seeds is sometimes a little overpowering. I don't want to overpower the sauce. So, but I will use the whole thing because I do like some heat on my food. So we're going to chop this into really small pieces. And the chunkiness will give the meats a nice little texture as well. So you'll see when we plate it, it's going to look beautiful. And look at these colors, you guys. Look, all red, all summery. So it's a pretty simple recipe. If you don't want to chop like me, go ahead and put it in a food processor and just blend it all together. Then literally you could just blend it to whatever consistency you want it. If you want it liquidy, and a lot of people make it super liquidy, so they marinate it. They'll put it in a Ziploc bag and then put the steak in there as well and let it marinate overnight, which makes it really yummy. But the Argentines, their purpose when they first made this was not to marinate, it was really as a topping. Like ketchup, But don't tell them it's ketchup because they will get mad. Right, Argentines? Right, right, my Argentine friends? All right, garlic. Garlic. Got the grill going over there. I'm gonna put the steaks on there as well. Again, garlic to taste. I like a lot of garlic, so we are gonna go heavy D, heavy grinder. What do you call that?
I thought you were going to say heavy AF.
Oh, heavy AF, that's even better. We got some kids crying in the background. Alright, we're gonna take the garlic and chop away, chop away. Come close. Look, you can see how the color's happening right now. Yum, right?
Yummy.
I'm gonna use a red pepper. There's some recipes online that say that have tomatoes in the chimichurri, but an authentic chimichurri doesn't have tomatoes. So I'm not gonna put the tomatoes. Look at these gorgeous vine tomatoes. I'm gonna grill them so that we can eat on the side. All right, look at that, you guys. Isn't that glorious? Okay, what we're gonna do now? We got a little paprika. Throw that in there. A little salt. We got oregano, dried oregano, and dried peppers. Dried peppers. Just throw it all in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to chop up the lemon as well. Put juice of 1 lemon. Yeah, I know there's seeds in there, but you can put seeds in your digestive system too. Never killed anybody. And now we got a little white wine vinegar. And olive oil. This olive oil is actually a specialty olive oil that I got. It's a green chili pepper infused olive oil. We are going to be generous with that. Let that sit and let all the flavors absorb. Isn't that beautiful? Let's taste it. Ooh, got a little heat too. Alright, got the grill going and we are gonna put the steaks on. Alright, I got my gloves on. Sprinkle the steak with a little salt. And we're just going to put that on the grill. They're really thin, so they should cook pretty quickly. Pow! Like that. So while that's cooking, yeah, so that's a New York thing. A lot of ambulances. For all my audience out there not in New York City, yeah, it's a regular thing. Alright, so what we do, this is the surf, you guys. So we are just gonna spice these a little bit. So the shrimp cooks really, really quickly. So that's pretty much gonna cook in like less than a couple minutes. So as the steak sits a little bit, oh, I checked the 6. The steaks are pretty thin too, so they are. So we're just gonna use paprika on shrimp. And douse them with a little olive oil. Oh man, you guys, you see that? Oh my gosh, look at those lemons. What? What do you think? Those look at that done, right?
Yeah, let's go.
So follow me. We're gonna take these off the grill and put it over here and just let that rest. And let it rest for about 5 minutes. Let those juices kind of get back circulated.
Don't worry, I'll come for dinner. Really nice setup.
Thank you. All right. I'm gonna let these cook a little bit more. Put these on the side. Oh, look at those tomatoes, you guys. You want another tomato? Half.
No. That'd be a way to.
Basecamp Brooklyn YouTube channel. These tomatoes, oh look at that, they're falling off the skin. Ooh, let's go lemons. Shrimp cooks super fast. Oh my gosh, this is a great shot. Literally, once it turns orange, look at that. You guys, you getting hungry? What? guys. Look at those juices. Oh man, you guys. There's nothing like charred meat. Alright you guys, we are ready to plate this. This looks amazing. Look at the steak. The chimichurri. It's all the different flavors have been infused. And then we got the shrimp over there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this steak. Put it on an angle. Look at that you guys. Put that on the plate. Follow me, we're gonna go to the grill. Two of these, couple of these skewers. Whew, hot. Take a lemon. And grab one of these tomatoes. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks so good. Chimichurri, and you could be as generous as you like, but we are going to just douse it. Put it all over that steak. Look at that, you guys. Put it all over the shrimp. Yum. There you have it. Surf and turf chimichurri, straight from Williamsburg, Brooklyn, McCarren Park. Guys, thank you for joining me today. I'm glad that you came by and hung out with me. You know, I love cooking this stuff for you guys. Hope you try this at home. It's a really, really easy recipe. Send me a message. Let me know what you think of it when you tried it. Let me know what your kids think about it. Let me know what your spouses think about it. And I'm gonna try it. Okay. Amazing. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna first start the steak. Top up a little that sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys. The charring on the steak. And we got all these fresh vegetables on top. The Chimichurri Roja. Yeah. I can't describe how good this is, you guys. You've got to try it. Don't take my word for it, but take my word for it. Yeah, so guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for watching me cook. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. You'll see a link for my Patreon as well. So if you like what I do and you want to support me beyond just watching these videos, check out the Patreon website and see what's going on over there. Okay? So that's it. Give me a thumbs up too, because it's good, right?